Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore InVideo AI, a tool that allows you to create professional videos with ease. Whether you're looking to create professional-looking videos for your content, InVideo AI is here to help you make videos quickly and easily. Let's explore how you can start using it. First, to get started, head over to the website and sign up with your Gmail account. If you already have an account, simply sign in and you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. When you sign up, you'll notice there are 3 different versions of InVideo AI, starting with version 1.0, which gave users the ability to generate videos from text. Then came version 2.0, which expanded on that concept with more customization options. And now we have InVideo AI 3.0, which is the most advanced version yet. The version you select depends on your needs, but version 3.0 is the most powerful, with everything you need for professional video creation. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options like voices. Here you can add voiceovers to your video for uploading your own recordings. Text to clip. This allows you to generate video content directly from the text you provide. Text to image. This feature helps you generate visuals based on the text you input. Photo to clip. This feature allows you to upload or generate a photo and turn it into a dynamic clip for your video. Text to title clip. You can turn your titles into engaging clips with just a few clicks. These options are the core of the tool, allowing you to create content that fits your specific. Let's go ahead and create a video together. Click on the box prompt. This is where you'll input your idea or concept for the video. For example, I'll type in, "A girl visiting an amusement park, excitedly exploring the rides and attractions." Once you've entered your sentence, you'll be prompted to choose between 2 options for content generation. Stock media. This will give you access to real images and short video clips that you can use in your video. It's a great option if you're working on a budget. You can further refine the content by selecting the duration, audiences, and platform. Generate media. This is the premium option that lets you generate images and video clips using AI. The AI creates visual content based on the sentence you entered, which is fantastic for more unique, tailored results. You'll choose the visual style, duration, and platform for the AI-generated content. Once you've made your selection, click on Generate and InVideo AI will get to work. After the video is generated, you'll be able to edit it to your liking. Click on the Edit button and you'll enter the editing interface. Here you can adjust various elements of your video, including media, add or remove footage, images, and music. Music, change the background music or add sound effects to fit the vibe of your video. Script, edit the text overlays or captions in your video. In the settings, you'll find several useful presets to streamline your work. Overlay preset. This adjusts the style of your text overlays. Transition preset. Choose from a variety of transition styles to enhance your video flow. Subtitle preset. Automatically add subtitles or captions in your preferred style. Text preset. Adjust the text appearance and animation. Effects master volume. Control the sound effects volume. Media audio master volume. Adjust the background music volume. Music master volume. Control the overall music volume in your video. Voiceover master volume. Adjust the volume of your voiceover track.
I bet you didn't know how thrilling an amusement park can be until you've seen it through a child's eyes. Meet Emma. She's super excited as she steps into the colorful, magical world of the amusement park. First stop, the Ferris wheel. High up in the sky, Emma feels like she can touch the clouds. Next, it's off to the roller coaster. Hold on tight. Emma's heart races with every twist and turn. Now she's heading to the bumper cars. Watch out. Emma's giggling as she dodges and bumps her way through. And who can forget the merry-go-round? Emma picks the prettiest horse and feels like she's in a fairy tale. Don't miss the cotton candy break. It's as sweet as her smile. The day ends with a splash on the log flume. Emma's drenched but grinning from ear to ear. From thrilling rides to tasty treats, Emma's adventure at the amusement park is a day she'll never forget. So what ride will you try first?
Once you're happy with your video, you can click on Download to save it. If you're using the Pro version, your video will download without watermarks. However, if you're using the free version, the video will have the watermark. InVideo AI is a game changer for creating pro videos fast. With AI-powered tools, it simplifies video creation for beginners and pros alike, making it a must-have for every creator. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use InVideo AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.